Let's talk about one of the most frustrating baking problems. Your bread rises beautifully, then flattens into a sad, deflated pancake. This video is going to help you understand why that happens and, more importantly, how to fix it. If your dough rises well at first but collapses just before or during baking, you're not alone. Signs include a loaf that spreads instead of rising, crust that bursts in weird places, or a gummy, hollow texture inside. These are all symptoms of the same core issue. There are 3 common causes. 1. Overproofing. Your dough fermented too long and ran out of strength. 2. Weak gluten. Your dough wasn't strong enough to trap gas. And 3. Underbaking. If the crust sets before the crumb stabilizes, the whole thing collapses. When dough overproofs, it inflates like a balloon. But unlike a balloon, it can't hold the pressure. The gluten strands stretch too thin and start breaking down. So when it hits the oven, it doesn't rise, it deflates. Think of dough as going through phases. First, it grows and builds structure. Then it puffs up gently. If you push too far before baking or skip strengthening steps, you lose the balance between volume and support. That's when collapse happens. To fix this, start with stretch and folds during bulk fermentation to build strength. Watch your proofing times, especially in warm kitchens. Use the poke test to check readiness. And finally, make sure you bake long enough. A soft crust means the inside probably isn't done yet. Bread shouldn't feel random. The more you understand what your dough is doing, the more control you'll have. Think of it this way: great rise is useless if the structure can't hold it. Build strength, don't overproof, and your loaves will stay proud and tall. End of lesson. As always, I hope this helps someone. If you have a question, go ahead and leave it in the comments.